Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, have you seen this intro? Today I'm gonna learn to skate. I hope you guys sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Never in life you feel like you can't do something. So people, sometimes you have to stop being scared and just go for it. Either it will work or it won't. That's life. So at least you try. You won't know until you try. Stop feeling like somebody need to do things for you for it to work out. You have to try for yourself. And then you will say, at least I try. Now, me and my son, we went to Syracuse shopping center. And he can skate, but I can't. So if you want to see more, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Little baby snow we see, and we are going like a something big. Little baby snow we see, you know. Imagine if we did get big snow.
What? That'd have been game over.
Sweep! Sweep away! Sweep away!
So let me turn the car from the over with the car back now.
Hey boy, mind me, you know?
Alright,
Mind me. Mind me, you know? Mind me.
Nah, go step.
Mind me, you know? Mind me. You know answer me?
Moment.
Mind me, you know? Mind
You
me.
don't want snow fight?
If you ever fling up on me, a big fight out here. No ramp with me, you know? Can't ramp with Jamaica mother and father, you know? Ignorant bad. Yeah. You might think of fun this, a big war. Takes no fling for me. Crazy. Mind me, you know? Mind me.
Jesus Christ.
What we say?
Mind me, you know? Mind me. Me hear you. Loud and clear.
Hi.
No, sorry. No, I don't mean that, sorry.
Oh. Look what you do now.
Sorry.
It's very cold. So Dino, I clean up the car and I try to warm it up a bit before we drive. One man. So it was nice seeing the snow, but you know, when it's a melt, that's when you really get cold. No, yeah, budgie. It's nice. This is for the kids. They will come here and take photograph with Santa Claus. So the kids gonna have a ball today. Santa Claus is not around now. Perhaps he will come later. Can somebody buy me a phone, please? Eh? Where iPhone in there? Yes. Can somebody buy me a phone, please? This and I'm laughing, Matana Ronaldina. You can stay there laugh. You never know. Suppose one rich subscriber watch my YouTube channel right now and feel like give me a phone of my choice. iPhone at that. You never know. The Bible say, ask and you shall receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be open. I can't stay there. I'm not joking matter. I'm serious.
Yeah, got no sense, you know?
Me a editing up people and me a dead with laugh. You know, so my head no good. Watch ya. Yeah, go the girl. Me need to go exercise in a 2023 because me a get big and fat. Yeah, me can do that. Watch me. Ray, right this so. Why? Me? No fear fun. So wanna see how Ronaldinho just put on the people them skating shoes and just start skate just like that. Then me not have to try. Hi, Sonny boy. How it feel?
Feels good.
Cause you not skate for a while. Me, I go learn to skate today. So me I go get up, go look a pair of skating shoes and skate away inside here. And I alone a skate Ronaldinho, so you can stay there. Today, me I go try. I cannot skate, but I am going to try. Yes, you have to try first to know if you can do it. Alicia, practice what you preach. You always encourage people or talk positive things. So positive vibes, positive movement. Today, girl, you are going to learn to skate. So you can stay there. Say you can't skate, you can't skate. Today, your son are going to help you. Because you see my son now, him no ramping now. Him ever encourage me. He say, Mom, find a pair of shoes. You are going to learn to skate today. Can't skate enough people. Can't skate for help myself. And I drop enough. Dina have the time of his life. Me can't skate. So I'm not even gonna try. Never skate. Cause me can't skate enough.
I'm gonna help. I'm gonna teach. I'm gonna help. You help?
Oh, okay, come. People dead now, no?
No, that's not my foot. Oh yeah, that's right.
That's nice. So why it move so? So off it breaks it.
Cause yeah.
I can't skate enough. I go try today. I see what I go on for me. Yeah. Father God, guide and protect me. Give me strength, oh God. To move freely, man.
What is it? She's gonna find out without balance right now. That's the danger.
It doesn't move freely, so I'm gonna start skating. Me a bad girl for skating, you know, feel. Watch me. Can't skate, you know. Mommy tell me can't skate, you know.
Who, you? No?
I used to know.
Today she's gonna learn though. Don't worry. I got you, mama. No, you can get.
With the support and encouragement from my son, it wasn't that bad. But people, my stress level high, I'm nervous, afraid of everything. People, if me drop right now and damage part of my body, it not go well for now. People, me I get old, better carry me back, go put me down for sit down. Carry me back for sit down. We can't do this. Not.
Alright, come give me one. I got you.
No.
I got you. You bet no, don't give up, no, you're not. Stop that, you're not. Do that. Get up. Get up, mommy.
No, me I go drop.
Mommy, you're not gonna drop. I'm not gonna let you drop, mommy. You mean not gonna let you drop,
Don't
mommy?
pull me.
Mommy, I swear to God, I'm not gonna let you drop.
Don't pull me.
Mommy, come.
No, wait.
Come.
I can't even get
Come,
up.
mommy, yeah.
No.
Mommy, don't do that, you know? Come. Yeah, see? No.
Scott.
Get up, yeah. Get up. You're afraid? Get up.
Can't manage my weight.
That's it then.
No, Sam, I can't manage this. I'm so not idiot. People, I can't even stand up. My foot are galang so. Does that make sense?
Don't worry, you go ahead. See, look. Come on.
People, I feel like
Don't worry, breathe.
Me I
Breathe.
did.
No. Straighten the legs. Come on. Yeah. No.
I did.
Come.
Me I got
Come.
dead.
Yeah, see, hold it to me. Yeah.
I want this.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Me not understand.
Moment, you have this.
No, go. Me I go drop. See that Dino? Now for camera back.
Alright.
What the fuck do you?
Alright, go on. Yeah. No, it's fine. No, hold it to my actual hand. No, hold on to me. Yeah, so I can hold you.
What is this?
Just like that. Try to straighten up yourself. Yeah.
Give us a
Yeah.
belly gap.
Go on. Yeah. No. See, you're going there. Look, just like that. I'll just drag you and you just stay still. It's easy to get movement. Is that better? No. Breathe. Relax yourself. You're overthinking it. Don't worry. Turn.
No, me need to go back. I think it down. No, Dino, stop. I'm gonna drop me.
Alright, go ahead. You're good. Yeah.
So people just scared. Oh, we can't do
Turn
this.
around.
I had a wonderful time today with my son. What I learned today is inaction breeds doubt and fear because you never try. But if you try and put it in action, it breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit at home and think about it. Go out and get busy. Next time I go skating, I skate by myself. If you see someone's success, they tried. And that's the difference in being successful. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, guys, don't feel scared. Get up and try. At least you make an attempt.